Okay, so we made a video earlier showing you how to create these albums within WordPress photo albums, this plugin we've been using down here. And what I showed you is how to create an album and then use the uploader from within the program seen here to upload a single photo or a zip file. And that looked like a good option, but I did some research and found out you can actually use the WordPress media uploader to do this. So I've set up a test album, and I'm just gonna show you how you can quickly use the media uploader to do something like this. So what we've done, we've come to media and add new. We're gonna click select files. I'm just gonna take 4 of those tape files just for example, and you'll see that it's grabbing those 4 files and uploading them pretty quick. Even on my slower connection, I'm not having to worry about creating a zip file if I don't have the software to do that, or I just don't know how to do it, or maybe I need to just get them up there quick and not worry about that. This is a way to do that. So we'll wait for these 4 files to go ahead and upload. Looks like they're finishing up. So these files are going into the WordPress uploads directory. The photo albums plugin doesn't know anything about them yet. Now what we're going to do is go to our plugin now. You can see that test album I set up. There's no photos in it right now. So we want to pull those photos we just uploaded into that album. So we're going to go to import photos. Now normally when you come here, this will look like this right here. And what we're going to do is navigate to that upload directory we just put those in. You're going to look for the year and the month that you are currently in, or that you uploaded those to, so it separates them by a date. So we're right here. We're going to select January of 2012 and set that as the source directory. So here you see 8 files. We don't want all 8. I'm going to go ahead and select all, but I'm going to uncheck these 150 by 150 files. Those are the thumbnails that WordPress generates. You just want these 4 full-size files. You want to ignore those. So if you just uploaded 100 pictures, you're going to need to uncheck those thumbnails for each one. Otherwise, you'll have a bunch of thumbnails in there in your gallery, and you don't want that, or in your album. So we're going to click import, and it pulled those 4 photos into that album. So now if we go to photo albums, our test album now has 4 photos in it. That's those 4 photos we just selected. And here's the ID number that you're going to need to put that album into a post or a page using that shortcode we talked about in the other video. So that's a cool way to use the WordPress uploader. It's a pretty quick way to do it. But one thing I want to show you is, now that you've imported those, you don't want those to stay in 2 places. You've already got them in your WordPress photo album down here. You've got them in this plugin. You just imported them. So you don't need them in this other place. They're just going to add more storage to your web host. So you can see here's the 4 within the media directory. We're just going to delete those. And that deleted them. So now all your files are gone. So next time you come in here to upload anything, you know you want everything you uploaded. You don't have to worry about sorting through, oh well, was that from my last upload or is that from this one? There's nothing in this directory now, so no need to worry about that in the future. But that's a good way to use it. If you don't have your photos in a zip file, that's a cool way to do it. We're going to just delete this test album. I can go ahead and show you that those pictures did go in. So there you see the 4 photos, and you can change their names and all that good stuff. So that's how you can do it. We'll just go ahead and delete that album, and now we're clean back up to just the 3 albums that we want, and good to go.